on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I wanted to try out the Betty Crocker pound cake mix. So I'm going to give you guys a review on that. It cost only $1.49 and I wanted to see how good it is. So the ingredients that we're going to need according to the box are 2/3 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of room temperature butter, and 2 eggs. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 350 degrees. So now you want to get a large bowl and I'm going to pour in my pound cake mix. I'm going to add in my 2 eggs, our butter, and also our water. Okay guys, I'm going to be using a hand mixer, but of course you can mix it by hand. So with the hand mixer, we're going to mix it on low speed for 30 seconds. Then we're going to switch it to medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay guys, once you're done, your batter is going to be thick. Okay guys, I have a 9x5 loaf pan. And I'm just going to spray it with some Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray with flour. Okay guys, make sure your pan is greased really good. Now we're going to pour our batter into our pan. Okay guys, make sure your batter is nice and leveled out. Now we're going to place it into our 350 degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. Okay guys, our pound cake is now done. I'm going to let it cool off before I remove it from the pan. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how good this looks. Not too bad for a pound cake mix that costs $1.50. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Okay guys, look how nice and fluffy that is. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Okay guys, so this pound cake is really good. It's nice and fluffy and it's moist. So from 1 to 10, I would give it a 9. I would definitely buy this again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?